channel. Guys, we're at 1,098 subscribers. We are growing each and every day, so I want to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. I didn't make this channel to expect this channel to just blow up overnight. It's, you know, I work full time, so this channel is something that I do on the side, and I do it for fun. And you know, I didn't imagine hitting 1,000 subscribers when I made this channel. I was like, well, let's see where it goes. But I hit 1,000 subscribers. So guys, let's keep the channel growing. And guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because if you hit the subscribe button, it's not going to tell you when I release videos. So you have to hit the notification bell so you're notified when I bring you guys videos. Right now it's holiday season. The content right now is just rolling out very slow, especially since out at Dover's shop there has not been a lot going on. We have been doing a lot of stuff to get the new shop ready, and it is pretty much ready to go. And I believe they're going to go pick up a car sometime this week, and that would be the first car we're going to start on in the new shop as far as coyote swap for somebody. And guys, we're not only doing coyote swaps, we're doing a lot of stuff out there, so guys, stay tuned for all of that. I want to share a little something with you guys. Was sitting there yesterday and I got a Facebook message from a friend of mine, and he had sent me, the first picture was a cover of a magazine, and the second picture was a page out of the magazine that had a picture of my car going down the track at NMRA in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And that was pretty cool to see my car in a magazine. You know, it's something, you know, when I was a kid, I used to sit back and look at cars in a magazine. I was like, you know, one day I'd like to see my car in a magazine. It's just some way, somehow. It doesn't have to be a feature article, just in there somewhere. And, you know, seeing it there, it was pretty cool. All right, guys, speaking of NMRA, next year I want to attend a lot more events and race the car a lot more. You know, not only at my local track, but other tracks I would love to attend. Right now, the car's running 1060s in the quarter mile. When last time I had it down to Bowling Green, it was running 10.6s. Now keep in mind, guys, the car is still full weight. You know, it weighs 3780 with a quarter tank of gas without me in it. You put me in it, and I usually run around a half a tank of gas. So, I mean, you're looking right at 4,000 pounds going down a track. And so, I mean, you know, stock suspension and everything else. And keep in mind, we are shifting out around 73, 74. I'm not even running out where a lot of people do like to run out in 76, 77, 7800 RPM. So that's affecting the time a little bit too. But we're going to be getting some oil pump gears in here. You know, could I rev out that high with stock oil pump gears and last? You know, probably. But you know, it's just kind of like an insurance. You know, it's just something to put in there, kind of a peace of mind that I know that it's one part that, you know, I know is going to be okay. So we're going to be doing that this winter. I was hoping to do it this month, but it's looking like it's probably going to happen next month. But guys, that's coming. Another thing, guys, is, you know, you guys let me know down below. I kind of want to take this thing in stages throughout, starting in spring and throughout the next season. And that is, first I want to see what it'll do on E85 on the 80mm pulley. Then we're going to drop it down to 75mm pulley, and then we're going to drop it down to 72 and see where we're at there. My original plan with the car was to go 10.0 9/8. That's still my plan, but I believe that I'm going to see just how far I can push the car. You know, I know that on certain tracks I'm going to need a cage to go faster, and as of right now, I'm not going to cage the car. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Let me know what you think down below. I know I've talked about this before. Once I get closer and closer to running 10.0 9/8, I don't know what I want to do, but you know, here lately, guys, you know, 9s is the new 10s, you know, and you know, it kills me because a 10-second car is pretty daggone fast. So, you know, a 9-second car is moving. An 8-second car is, you know, I'm talking about street cars, guys. I'm not talking about drag cars. I'm talking about full-fledged street car. And that's a subject for another day, street car versus race car, and where's the limit between the two. But that's a video for another day. So guys, yeah, we got great things coming for this car. I want you guys to stay tuned. We've got a lot of cool things coming. We're going to keep making this car faster and faster. I'm going to leave it in full interior as long as I can. to see what I can do with the car with full interior, because this is a street car. This is the way I drive it on the street. That's the main reason I haven't went crazy with my suspension and everything else, you know, because this is not a drag car. This is a street car. I don't want to go too crazy right now because I enjoy driving it on the street. It's a great handling car. It rides really good, and I'm not wanting to sacrifice all that to get an optimal time at the drag strip right at this moment. We will see how the future goes for it, but for right now, you know, I would even like to maybe put this thing on like a actual real track, like a road course type track. Although it's not going to do as well as a lot of other cars, it would just be something fun to do, something different. So these are things that I will be looking to do next year. The thing I kind of want your guys' help in is I kind of want to name the car, but I'm sitting back trying to think of names, and most of the names have already been taken by other people out there. So I kind of want something different. So leave a comment below. You know, let me hear what you guys want to name it. I'm also going to do this over on Instagram, and I'm just going to see what gets thrown out there and see if anything I like, and hopefully choose one of your guys' suggestions for a name for the car. So you guys know the car. If you don't, go back and watch my videos. Okay. Appreciate you guys hanging around and listening to me. You know, I know these talking videos, it doesn't really have a lot of action in it. Although I do try to throw layover clips of me running down track. I try to help out some, but not a lot of action shots in the car. And I do, you know, that's just something that you can't always have. Although I'm going to try for that, guys. I hate not having those videos out for you guys. That's what I love to show you guys. That's what I want to share with you guys. You know, that's the reason I created this channel, was to share my experience with you guys. And then, you know, but I don't want to go, you know, weeks on end and not have any content for you guys, and, you know, communicate with you guys and talk to you guys. And another thing I want to ask is, guys, what do you think about me going live every once in a while? I've talked to Caleb about it, and me and him have talked about maybe doing a live like Q&A session with you guys. Maybe get Dover and Cody in on it also, and just kind of maybe broadcast it from both channels, or maybe his channel, or just whatever. But you know, give you guys, you know, a chance to just, you know, be live and ask us questions and us answer them right there. You know, I kind of like stuff like that. You know, I love interacting with you guys. But anyway, guys, that's enough of that. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because just subscribing doesn't let you know when I drop videos. And with holiday season and winter time, my uploads are going to be sporadic. It's not going to be on certain days. I am going to try to get y'all at least 2 to 3 videos a week still. We're going to, right now, 2 videos. And I'm hoping I can sneak the 3rd video. Once stuff starts, like I said earlier, once stuff starts cranking up out of Dover's, we'll be able to get that handled. I think I mentioned that earlier. If I did, I apologize. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.